The Lyme and Co infections recovery kit is designed to address the core challenges most people with Lyme disease face. It also serves as a strong foundational support package for organ systems and detox pathways, making it an ideal base upon which to build antibiotic or prescription protocols as recommended by your doctor, offering focused, effective support with fewer products, fewer pills, and overall less expense. Adaptogen Immune is a herbal adaptogenic formula that supports immune balance, helping calm overactivity while improving resilience and immune focus. Binder Blend is a broad spectrum binder that helps reduce toxin recirculation and reabsorption from the gut back into the bloodstream. This supports the removal of microbial byproducts such as lipopolysaccharides, LPS, a key strategy during treatment and die-off Herxheimer reactions. Glutathione symmetry combines S-acetylglutathione with targeted nutrients to support detoxification, including glutathione activity and all major phase 2 liver pathways: methylation, acetylation, glucuronidation, sulfation, and also amino acid conjugation. Efficient toxin binding and elimination are critical for recovery. Foundation formula, inspired by Steve Buhner's work, helps stabilize physiologic systems in complex chronic illness. Cryptolepis Synergy and Herbal Biotic provide targeted botanical support for Lyme and common co-infections. With comprehensive diagnostic workups, we find that Lyme disease is almost always accompanied by other co-infections. Phospholipid Synergy is central to the protocol. Phospholipids support repair of the cellular and mitochondrial membranes, improving energy, cognition, mood, and immune function. It also supports liver function, promotes bile flow, and strengthens mucosal integrity, making it a key strategy for addressing cellular damage and restoring normal cellular signaling in chronic illness.